I see a Rivian car dealership here right at Pacific Highway and what is this? Broadway? Market? I don't even know.
Used to me that when they built buildings downtown, they couldn't cast a shadow on any other building, but I'm sure that that's not.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the CO2.
Oh. CO bus.
We live here.
Oh, what is that? It must be a hotel. Oh, maybe it's not done yet.
I don't think it is because look at the scissor lift.
Yeah. Oh, this is a nice walk.
Yeah.
This is kind of new, I think.
No, I think it's been here for a while.
Maybe they revamped it.
Oh, that could be. Look at the fishing fleet.
Yeah.
Getting ready to play some music.
All right, here we are. There is USS Midway. And oh, there's the statue. See if I can zoom in. You could see the statue in between the trees. I don't know if I get in far enough. See the jets on top of the USS Midway. Mm-mm. Oh wow, that's cool. And we can walk that way to see the sculptures.
Which way?
That way.
Okay.
Do you see the sculptures?
Yeah. I think that. Oh yeah, the kissing people are over there.
Yeah, I just looked at them.
You told me, I said, can you go right?
Nah, that was boring.
You were comparing to the first one.
Oh, I should check Cruise Mapper. See if there's any cruise ships in dock today. wow. Oh yeah, that's that speedboat. I know, me too. Just a little deafening horn down here at the freaking San Diego Harbor. I don't know if I know anybody, well, know anybody on the Zandam right now.
No, it was like
This is nice. The way that this has been like this, but it's nice how they have a huge walking area.
Yeah. Look at that solar thing over there.
Yeah, that's cool. Looks like fish, huh?